Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Petey Piranha. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start near the top and let's draw a curve across. Then from both ends, let's bring it down and curve it out. Now for the ends, let's hop in and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And then a large curve underneath to close off the lips. Now we're going to hop inside and draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve on top in the center. And then from the ends, let's dip it down and up. And add another curve underneath. Now inside, let's add the teeth. At the top, let's draw two V-shaped points down. And two more on both sides. Now for the bottom row, let's draw a point up in the center, and then three more on both sides. Now in the center, let's draw a curve up and over for the tongue. And then color the rest of the mouth in black. Now lastly, for the mouth, let's draw the stripes on the lips. Let's start with the line down in the center and the same underneath. And then let's work our way out with some curved lines. Now let's add an angled curve on the top corners, and then another one on the bottom corners. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the top of the head. Let's start with a large curve up and bring it down to the other side. Now inside at the top, let's draw an oval shaped curve. Another oval on the bottom left. One on the right side, and one more curve down on the right. Now let's hop out and let's draw the flower petals. Let's start on top and let's draw two angles up. And then close it off with a large curve on top. Now let's do the same thing underneath. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw two angles out on the left and right. And close it off with a curve as well. Now on the top left, let's draw another angle up, and the same on the right. And then on both sides, let's add two petals by drawing two curves. And now let's do the same thing at the bottom. Let's draw an angle down on both sides. And then add 2 curves. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw 2 curves out. And then a long curve down and back up to close off the shape of the body. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve across in the center. And then in the bottom, let's add the polka dot pattern. We'll start with an oval in the middle. And then one coming down from the top left and right side. Now on the bottom left, let's add another curve in. And a smaller one on the right. Now that we're done the main part of the body, let's add the arms. On both sides, let's draw a long wavy line up, down, and back up, like this. And then let's curve it down at the ends. Now let's move back in and let's draw a curve down underneath. Now let's add 3 more bumps across to close off each arm. Now inside the arms, every time there's a point, let's draw a curve down. And that's it for the arms. Lastly, let's draw the legs. We'll start at the bottom on each side of the body and let's draw a curve down. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back in and up underneath. And that's it for Petey Piranha. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!